Welcome to this course, and in the following videos I'm going to be talking about several types of income streams that you could earn as a YouTuber. Most people think that you need a large YouTube channel with millions of subscribers and millions of views in order to be successful on YouTube. And yes, it is true that people on YouTube who have millions of subscribers are making a lot of money. What's also true is that you don't really need a large channel to earn a full-time income. I know of YouTubers with small channels who are earning a full-time income, and that's because they're not relying on just one or two income streams or the popular income streams and business models that you hear about, such as making money from YouTube ads being placed on your videos. But with that said, you do need a business model around your channel. Don't just focus on growing your audience and your AdSense revenue. And AdSense revenue I'm going to talk about in a later video, and it's basically the revenues that you earn when people click on ads on your videos. And mind you, when you first start out, you may have small income streams, but if you add them all together, they can add up to something significant. So you should strategically try to build multiple streams of income. So watch the following video in which I'm going to talk about the several types of income streams that you could earn as a YouTuber. I'm just going to go through some income streams in this video that you can earn as a YouTuber. Some of these you may already be familiar with, and some of them you may not. Okay, so let me just quickly go through these. And then some of these I'll talk more about in the following videos. Now, the most well-known income stream amongst YouTubers is AdSense, Google AdSense. And basically, when you're watching a YouTube video and you see an ad, and if you click on that ad, the YouTuber who posted that YouTube video will get paid by Google. Now, other ways you can make money are through the sales from your own products, through crowdfunding, brand deals, and affiliate income. And these income streams that I just mentioned, I'll cover more in the following videos. Other ways to earn money are through consulting, speaking opportunities. You can also license some of your video content to brands that want to take your content and make it a part of their commercials. You can set up a paid membership site in which you can provide more training and other perks. And you can do super chats, and this is where you can get paid through your live streams. You could also do freelance services. And lastly, my favorite income stream is to build an email list that you can continually market products and or services to. And I will also be talking about this in another video in this series. I'll also be talking about the super chat in another video in this series. Okay, so with that said, I will see you in the following video. The first income stream that I'm going to talk about is Google AdSense, and this is probably the most well-known income stream amongst YouTubers, probably because it requires the least amount of work. And this is actually my least favorite income stream. Okay, now if you're not familiar with Google AdSense or you don't know what it is, it's basically where you share revenue with Google when their ads are displayed on your videos, and a viewer clicks on that ad or watches it fully. Now, here's what I don't like about this business model. First, you cannot control this revenue stream, and you're going to make very little money through this business model. You're only going to make between $1 to $2.50 on every 1,000 views, or CPM. CPM means cost per thousand. So for every 1,000 views on your videos, you're only going to get paid between $1 and $2 or $2.50. So if you do the math, if your goal is to make, let's say, $1,000, then you need to get 500,000 views. There are exceptions though. If you niche your channel down and become really targeted, you can earn more money per 1,000 views. For example, I know of a YouTuber who's making $15 instead of the average $1 to $2 per 1,000 views. So for every 1,000 views, he's making $15. So if you want to start putting AdSense ads on your videos, there are some new YouTube requirements.
you do need at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months and at least 1,000 subscribers. Now, if the thought of making money through AdSense depresses you, don't worry. In the following videos, I'll talk about other business models that you can apply in which you can actually earn more money than AdSense, and that requires, or actually does not require, you to have a large YouTube channel. In the previous video, I spoke about Google AdSense and that you don't earn much with Google AdSense. And luckily for you, there are business models that pay a lot more, such as affiliate marketing. You can earn 4 times more with affiliate marketing than having YouTube ads or Google AdSense. Okay, you simply put links in your YouTube description, and these links, well, let's call them affiliate links. And when people click on your affiliate links, they'll be brought to a page, to another website, and if they buy something from that website, you earn a commission. And there's an affiliate program for almost everything. So you find the right one for you, sign up as an affiliate, and then start promoting those products. The most well-known affiliate program is Amazon. So just head on over to Amazon if you haven't already gotten an affiliate account with them. And when you're an affiliate, you start using affiliate links and earning commissions when people purchase through your link. It doesn't even have to be the product that you direct people to if you're using Amazon. As long as it's within their cookie period, if they purchase anything on the Amazon website, it doesn't even have to be related to the product that you're promoting. You will still earn commissions from Amazon. Another popular affiliate program is ClickBank, and that is more for digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and video tutorials. So you go to ClickBank, sign up as an affiliate, and you will find products for almost every niche. So that's worth taking a look. And there are dozens of affiliate programs out there, so you can just do a Google search and see which ones are more appropriate for your business. Now, to increase the likelihood of your viewers actually clicking on your affiliate link in your description, you have to create good quality videos. And when you're promoting affiliate products, there are several types of videos that you can make. For example, you can create a video in which you do a product review. So for example, if you want to promote the Vitamix blender, which costs around $500, you could do a review of that product. Or you could also do a tutorial, a video tutorial of that product. So you could show how to use a product or how to fix it and so on. You could also create a favorites video. You create a video showing which products by Vitamix are your favorites. Now I'm just using Vitamix as a quick example off the top of my head. You could also create a best of videos, or comparison videos. So again, using the Vitamix example, you could create a video comparing Vitamix to the competition or to other blenders within the Vitamix company. Okay, so there's hundreds of other types of videos out there, but those are one of the best ones you can create. Lastly, make sure to give a full disclosure about your relationship with the advertiser or the sponsor in the video, and in the description and in the advanced settings, check off the box that says your video contains paid product placement. Now, what I like about this next one is the fact that you can earn recurring income from this model. And what I'm talking about is earning income from a website called Patreon. Patreon is sort of like a platform that you can use to have your own paid membership site, except that Patreon does all the work. It's also a crowdsourcing type income model that's based entirely on rewards and incentives that you get to design for your own audience. So if you're a YouTuber and you have only a few subscribers, it's still possible to make 4 figures per month. There are more than 2,000 video creators making more than $1,000 each month on Patreon. You can choose to get paid either per month or every time you publish new content. And what I recommend to a lot of people is to choose to get paid per content. This way you'll be more motivated to create more high quality content. Aside from the recurring income, what I also like about this business model is that you're not relying on YouTube and Google AdSense, and that you're being supported by the people who watch your content. And what's also great is that this allows fans to connect with you on a whole new level.